Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zolve global banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zolve is a global banking app designed primarily to help international students, travelers, and professionals manage their finances across borders. It offers US-based banking services, including a checking account, debit card, and credit card options, even for users without a social security number. The goal is to provide seamless financial access for people moving to the United States. The app is available on both iOS and Android and focuses on hassle-free onboarding, transparent fees, and global usability. The app's main features include instant account setup, international money transfers, global debit access, and tools to help users build credit history in the US. Zolve also provides real-time transaction alerts, spending categorization, and no-fee overseas usage for many of its cards. For new immigrants or travelers, the ability to open an account before arriving in the US is a major convenience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Zolve's quick account approval, easy documentation process, and helpful customer support. The credit-building features are especially valuable for newcomers with no prior US credit history. The simple interface and low-fee structure also make it appealing for everyday use. However, there are some drawbacks. International transfers may incur fees depending on the corridor, and some users report delays in verification during busy periods. As with most global banking platforms, Zolve depends on stable internet connectivity for smooth transactions. Additionally, availability of certain services may vary based on the user's country and regulatory restrictions. In summary, the Zolve app may be worth using if you are an international student, traveler, or professional needing a smooth way to access US banking, build credit, and manage finances globally. However, if you already have established banking in the US or prefer traditional in-branch services, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.